G'day pizza lovers and welcome to Greg's Kitchen. I'm going to be your host today, Greg. And today I'm going to show you how to make a pizza roll-up so simply using my trusty old kitchen appliance, the air fryer. Oh, I love using these things. Everything seems to cook so quick and fast and usually tastes really awesome, like this recipe. So let's start making it. Now this recipe is only 4 ingredients. You could make it more ingredients if you want. I'm just using 4 because, well, that's how simple it is. I've got some soft wraps here. I've got some pasta sauce, some delicious cheese blend, and I've got some salami. I mean, you could use whatever you want, but this is a Hungarian hot salami. Boy, I never realised how thick a Hungarian salami was. Whoa, stop it! Alrighty. Let's whip out our soft wrap and we'll grab some pasta sauce. This one's pretty good. It's actually got olives in it. So if you wanted to add extra olives, I mean, go for it. You could add anything really, whatever you want. So I'll just spread this out. Close-ish to the edges. Not too close though, because you don't want it sort of dripping out the sides. And now, grab our cheese. And we'll sort of sprinkle that evenly on top. This is like a pizza cheese. Now let's grab our thick, hot Hungarian salami.
That's what she said.
And spread that on. Now, if you want to, you could add some extra cheese on top if you really wanted it really cheesy, which, you know what, I may as well. And now we just need to roll it up. Fairly tight. Tuck that in there. Okay, there we have it. Let's start cooking it. So let's pull out the drawer, and I've got my roll up here. That's the bottom of it there, where the flap is.
That's what she said.
So I'll place it down there so it doesn't unravel. And this just goes straight back in the machine. Now because it's a pizza, I want it nice and hot, so I'll whack it up to 200 Celsius. That's 392 Fahrenheit jingles. Just stick it at 390, anywhere up to 400. You'll be right, mate. And I don't want it 15 minutes. I want it it's about 6 to 7 minutes. I'll put it on 6. Alright, well the 6 minutes is up. Oh, mate! That looks delectable! So we'll take this out. Be careful though, because it'll be steaming hot! Melted cheese. Let's cut it in half, eh? Oh yeah. Stretchiness. How good's that look, huh? Now these will be super hot, so you'll want to take care before tucking on in. Come at me, bro. How easy was that? I tell you what, pizza at home does not get any easier than that. And it tastes awesome. So anyway, there you go, some pizza roll-ups using the old air fryer. So fast, simple, quick and easy. You'll probably want to start making them yourself. Anyway, that's all today. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, remember, subscribe for more. Hit the bell. Show me some thumb and love. And I'll see you next time I make something. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen.